Today, I will answer the question, is a reverse mortgage a good idea? Let's have a look at the details. No, reverse mortgages aren't an ideal financial choice for everyone, and you may have other options, such as selling your home and downsizing. Older homeowners may also consider renting, which alleviates homeownership headaches like property taxes and repairs. Other possibilities include forward mortgages such as home equity loans, home equity lines of credit, HELOCs, or cash-out refinancing. However, all of these require good credit and enough income or assets to support monthly payments. Reverse mortgages, particularly the line of the credit payment plan, can also be helpful in many situations. They can provide a source of emergency funds or income diversification, help pay for in-home care, and are a source of non-taxable income, so they won't increase your income tax rate or Medicare premiums. Even if a reverse mortgage is expensive and not ideal, it may still be the best choice for your circumstances. Here are the ifs. If the proceeds from the loan will increase your long-term financial stability, if you plan to stay in your home for many years, if you can afford the ongoing costs of homeownership, if you have a spouse who is 62 or older, and if you don't plan to leave your home to anyone. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.